Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kabocha no kareeage. It's another very easy vegetable side using Kabocha squash. You can use other type of squash or pumpkin, but I think Kabocha squash is the best fit for the dish. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this Kabocha no kareeage, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Kabocha squash. It's about 400 grams. Half a teaspoon of salt, 2 pinches of sugar, and S&B curry spice mix. S&B is a major spice company based in Japan, but you can of course use curry spice mix from other brand, or you can make your own curry spice by mixing turmeric, chili, coriander and such. I'm using air fryer today to cook kabocha, but you can of course deep fry it, either way you like. Okay, let's cut it. Using spoon, remove the seeds. And shave off these hard part on the skin. Only the hard part. You don't need to peel it all. Cut it into half. Then into slices. Put them in the bowl. Some vegetable oil, about a tablespoon. And mix well, so the kabocha is all coated with the oil. Let's put it in the fryer and cook until it's nice and soft, crispy on the outside. If you're deep frying it, 4 to 5 minutes over medium to medium-high heat. Fry it for 10 minutes. Let's turn them over and fry for another 5 to 7 minutes. I fried them for about 16 minutes total, and it's looking nice and crispy. Let's put it in the bowl. I'm using the same bowl I used to toss the oil. Then the seasonings. Half a teaspoon of salt, 2 pinches of sugar, and the curry spice mix. About a teaspoon. Mix well. かぼちゃのカレー揚げ is ready to go. Let's try. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Kabocha no kareeage is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Anything you like for the main, but how about ebi no butter shoyu yaki? I think I want to add little more protein to the meal, so let's have egg miso soup here. Plain rice here and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.